Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these super crispy air fryer chicken thighs. It's the most popular recipe on my blog. For good reason, they are outstanding. So be sure to check out how to make them right now. Okay, today we're making my super crispy air fryer chicken thighs. It's one of the most popular recipes on my blog. So let's get to it. We're gonna do 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. And we've trimmed the excess skin from you know how like they can have like extra skin on the sides? We trim that off just so they get nice and crispy. We're gonna put them in our zip top bag. You can also use, you know, whatever you want, just something that seals that you can shake the chicken with the seasonings, kind of like shake and bake. We're also preheating our air fryer. I'm preheating it for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna put our chicken thighs in the bag. And now we're going to put our seasonings on them. We've got 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. So now we're gonna shake this really well and make sure that all of our chicken gets an even coating of seasoning. Okay, we've got our air fryer preheated. I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna spray it really well with cooking spray. So now we're gonna take our chicken thighs and we're going to put them in the air fryer skin side down. My air fryer holds 4 chicken thighs perfectly. This is a 6-quart air fryer. Okay, so now these are gonna cook on the skin side down for 12 minutes. And we're cooking these at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, our chicken thighs have been cooking for 12 minutes. So now I'm going to flip them to the other side. They're looking good. Okay, so now we're gonna cook them for an additional 10 minutes until the skin is crispy to your liking, or you wanna make sure definitely that the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna do another 380 for 10 minutes. Okay, our chicken thighs are ready and oh my goodness, they look amazing. We tested them just to be sure they were 165 internal temperature, and they are. Look at how crispy and delicious these look. I just love air fryers. Those look fantastic. Look, oh my gosh, those are so good. Let me take a bite. And I'm gonna show you how juicy they are. Oh my gosh, they're so juicy. So juicy. Okay, oh. Y'all gotta try this recipe. Those are so good. Okay guys, Be sure you check out this recipe. If you go to my website, jenniferbands.com, you can search for air fryer chicken thighs. Also, check out my other air fryer recipes. I've got all kinds of air fryer recipes on my blog. If you're on Facebook, just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, search for air fryer recipes. I've got a dozen, I don't know how many, a lot. If you're on YouTube, you can click this box right here and it will take you to my most popular video on YouTube. It's got over almost 3 million views. It is my 4 beginner air fryer recipes. They're super easy and delicious, just like this one. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.